First thing you're going to want to do is you simply need to go into the App Store and get the gamepigeon iMessaging app. It only works on iMessages and you cannot send it to Androids. But once you've gotten the app, you simply click on the plus sign here and scroll down until we see the option called gamepigeon. Once here, you can see all of these different games you can basically send. In this case, I'm trying to play 8-ball, and you can choose if you want normal or difficult mode. Once you've set the game mode of your choice, you can even preview it just on the screen like so, and simply click on the send option. You can send multiple games at once doing the exact same method. Personally, some of my favorite games are cup pong, darts, or basketball, and basically, or just penguins. That's actually also a really good one. And simply you send it. And once you send it, you can basically talk in the messaging and it'll basically send back and forth once the other person has gone. I cannot go first because I just sent this. And once the other person goes, you simply click on it and click on start, and you can see the other person's movements just like so. As you can see, the chat will basically update every single time the other person on the other side actually goes. And you can basically watch the game or skip ahead, and basically you can see currently I'm solids, and all you need to do is just move this around, pull your stick back to shoot. And just like that, my turn's over. Thanks for watching, and drop a like and subscribe.